Hi, welcome back here with Lonnie and
AJ.
today we are here with an unboxing video. Today AJ had a cash register. Can you say cash register?
Cash register.
That is a hard for me. Cash register.
Look, it got parts inside. Let's open it and see.
Okay.
We got things inside. These are my things. What a things to get inside. That's enough. Picture. A fair on it.
What does it say?
10,000.
10%.
10%. I need some help, Mommy.
Okay, I guide you. You see this?
Uh-huh.
You gotta take that. It has tape on it.
Okay. You can leave it in the box.
So this is what it comes with. It says 24 accessories, ages 3 and up. Of course, there's some tripping hazard because there's coins involved. And it has some
Let's
fruits
open
and
it.
milk and sugar. And, oh, why they have 2 milk? They have 2 milk, and this is biscuits. AJ, do we drink cow milk?
No.
What milk do we drink?
Oatmeal.
Oat milk. Mommy makes her own oat milk.
Whoa. See that? That means we gotta put it all together.
They got the fruits and the milk.
Now this,
What do you think that is? Let me see.
it says
This is a credit card. That's a credit card. Can you say credit card?
credit card.
Okay, so,
You gotta put the credit card in here.
well, let's see first.
Okay, you see that? I'm good at opening things.
And these are the dollar bills. They're very small, as you can see. You can tell these are really fake. These are fake money, okay, AJ? You can't buy anything with this.
Oh, I found a screwdriver.
Yes. So as you can see, this says it came with batteries included in. Hold on, AJ. Let me show them. Batteries included in this one, but not included in these. So that's the reason why we have batteries on the table.
Mommy,
Yes.
I'm checking.
You must be following the pictures.
I'm looking at the picture.
Oh, so that's okay. I'm sorry, AJ. And these are the fruits and the vegetable. We got a corn. What's this?
Pear.
What's this?
That's peppers.
And what's this?
I don't know. What's
Potato.
Potato?
Yeah.
Like, whatever is good. I like corn.
And these are the coins.
I'm gonna open small things.
That's a $10 bill. That's some $20 bill.
This
It's
is
a
hard
$5
work.
bill.
I can't do
So-
this.
I don't see any ones.
I need some help doing this hard thing.
Okay.
Yeah, all the stuff.
You have all the stuff.
Yep. We gotta open. I can open this.
So it says open.
You see this screwdriver? Yeah.
Enter. There's a calculator. Add, subtraction, division, multiplication. It's just
Okay. Oh, we need this.
So these are the...
Look at this thing in there.
That's the scanner to scan the food. That's the cash register.
Yeah.
So these are the rest of the items. They are cardboard, so we have to open it up.
Look, Mommy, you gotta put the
Fresh milk
coins
and
in
all
here.
that. And the money in there.
Money goes in here.
So this is a very small cash register. It's not like the other ones that have the individual section for the coins and have $1 bill as well. But this is a good starter. So I would like to say that since AJ will be learning about money and other stuff, so I will be teaching AJ 3 vocabulary that I condensed and made it very easy for him to understand. When he get older, then I will teach him the book term, or the real word term of the word. But as of right now, he's going to be learning these 3 words in a more broad understanding. So the 3 words are revenue, expense, and money lender. AJ, can you say revenue, expense, and money lender? What's revenue?
People, older, company,
Company. Expense
instance,
is
company, older, people.
good job. Okay, so it says that one of these already have a
Can you tell me put this that tiny screwdriver? You can put batteries in. This is yellow button, Mommy.
Okay. You
Batteries.
see, this goes on the spring part. The back of the battery goes right here. The other back goes right here. You gotta do the butt first. Do the back. Push it out. Mommy's gonna screw this back in.
The second has this stripe. Thank you.
Wait.
Now which bag?
Wait, AJ.
Skip me.
Stop.
Skip me.
Stop, AJ. That's enough. You go with that, AJ.
Thank you. Look. What's that?
This is for your credit card, okay? This is cool.
Yes. I put it in, Mommy.
That's not the way.
Huh? This?
Mm-hmm.
It's done, Mommy. But why not good? Mommy, I can't open it.
We don't really need this no more, but we're just gonna put it back in the hole.
I'm holding it.